Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. You might recognize this graphic from earlier today, and somebody's having trouble with their color palette. On their document color palette, first they don't have one. So if you go to Windows and Color Palettes and go Document Color Palettes and check it, you can see right down there, this is going to disappear. So go to Windows, Color Palettes, and Document Palettes, and you have your document palette, and you have an eyedropper. You can build off your color palette. Say if you want that blue, you want that pink. See how it's adding to the color palette? Now, that's one of his problems, but the other problem is he can't get rid of the color palette. And what's happening is if he goes right here and goes to palettes, this is real touchy. You've almost got to go straight up and refresh. It brings up a lot of old colors. So to get rid of your color palette, it's bringing all the document palettes. So what you could do is Control C to copy that and delete it. And then go to this arrow, palettes, and refresh. And now your color palette is blank, but you can still bring your graphic back, go back in by right-clicking and pasting it, and you still have your graphic, but you don't have that color palette. In case you want to start another color palette and the reason you might have a color palette, let's make a red, and let's make it, I'm holding down the control button, and let's make it a little darker red by adding some black and some blue and maybe a little bit of orange. And if you want to add that to a color palette, you can get your eyedropper right there and add it to the color palette, which now you can use at any time on anything, because you can grab right here and press on that color. And it's like the Smart Fill tool, it's really like this over here. So we could, make a square. Instead of checking this orange, you can go down here and check this color palette, and you'll have that palette. Anyway, I hope that answered his question, and thank you for watching.